My favourite thing is the community. It's really the fact that when we're walking around, either a guest will have someone holler out to them who's a friend, or a business owner will come up to us and say g'day and share a story and welcome our guests to our city and to the experience. I'm Michael from Fremantle Tours, and I run walking tours in my hometown here in Fremantle. There's heritage and there's culture, amazing food and drink and amazing art, all in one place. The 4 years we've run Fremantle Tours, we've also run 2 separate cafes, and it gives us this gorgeous balance where I get the connection with visitors, but then a continued connection with community and our people who live in our city, and that's why we do everything we do, is about building those relationships. Imagine you're on holiday and, doing the things you love to do while you're on a break, maybe doing a walking tour in a city and discovering new things and meeting new people. And these are things you pay to do and you love, but then you can do it for work. You can get paid to do that.